eye double good, and being safe is what tigers like best. So please stay in your seats with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And grown-up types, please watch your lips.
A little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Look, Mama, look! I'm a kite! Hang on tightly, Roo!
Happy Winnie Day!
First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun!
Goodness gracious!
I'm Tigger! Power function Tigger! Steal honey! Beware! Beware! Have for lumps and woozles! Have for lumps and woozles! Steal honey! Beware!
I have a lump or whistle. It's very confusing. So say we slide, slide, slide. They come ones and twosles. But in there, some choozles. Before your eyes, you'll see them multiply. Strong and heavy, so very be wary. Because they come, they shake side, 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 side. When you come in, you'll find that they love it. Because it comes along the way you rise.
What a wonderful dream!
Wake up, Pooh! Wake up! Wake up,
Pooh boy, it's your birthday!
It's time for your party, Pooh!
Hooray! Happy birthday!
Hooray! Happy birthday!
Hooray! Happy birthday!
Hooray!
I do hope you like my gift, Pooh Bear.
I've never seen so many presents.
Hope you like my present. Present for Pooh.